Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you so very much for joining me. This is the Joy of Blue collab. This is my collaboration to get people to use blue, and there really aren't rules. You can make anything that makes you happy and brings you joy as long as it has blue in it. So sometimes you're going to see giant projects from me, sometimes you're going to see small ones. You might see quilting, paint pouring, mixed media, resin, card making, journal making, embellishments, whatever makes somebody happy. They could just paint their room blue and be in Joy of Blue. For this month, I got out Brilliant Blue. Brilliant Blue is an old Stampin' Up! Color that isn't around anymore, and some of my awesome subscribers have been kind enough to share from their stash with me. So I used this Brilliant Blue pad, I used some Brilliant Blue cardstock, and then I played with things I wanted to play with. I have this gorgeous paper. This is a fairly new paper that I picked up this year. It's from Paper House, and it has these two patterns, this tiny floral and this big floral, and I just love them both. Can't help but love it. And I had a personal stamp exchange stamp that I recently obtained that is from 1995 that I hadn't used yet, so I wanted to try that out. And somebody told me that my Miss You cards were all out in my box, so put another one of those in my stash. And then while I was playing, I was looking for embellishments for this, and I found a bunch of die cuts that my friend Noni did for me. I don't know, I got it in my head that we needed this holographic paper, and I think she's used it more than me, so good job. And I made two cards. So this first one, I cut a big piece of this paper that I wanted to use, and then a tiny scrap, and then I centered this, and then it wasn't quite right, so I added a strip of a blue washi that I love, and just played, and I didn't center these pieces intentionally. I just got stuff out that I wanted to use and went for it. And that is just so inspiring to maybe have a small category, but go for it. Then on this one, I took a section of this paper, so your brain might know it, but you don't notice it really, but the pattern continues from top to bottom. It was just cut in the middle, and I put the Miss You, and then I have these holographic flowers along here. I might add some more, but I kind of like it. And this is popped up with just enough foam mount so that it brings it up, but not so much it would be a pain to mail. Those are my cards, and then cute scraps on the inside. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you got inspiration from it. And you don't need a lot of time to craft. I watched TV with Mr. Crafting and Relaxing, and I came in here and played for half an hour and came up with two great cards that I could send to people that would bring them joy. And I had fun making them too. So joy for everyone. Check out the other videos. The descriptions will be down below. And then don't forget our friends on Instagram that are participating there too. They'll all be in the description of this video. If you're new to Joy of Blue, be sure to check out the other videos. I have a playlist for it. And you're welcome to play along and use the hashtag. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing and really taking care of yourself. Bye-bye.